What if I show you that you can monetize here in YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers? You don't need 1,000 subscribers. You don't need 1,500,000. You don't need even more than 500 subscribers to be monetized here in YouTube. There are several ways in which you can be monetized here in YouTube. You can earn your first dollar. Of course, in this channel of mine, I was monetized with less than 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to show you how I did it. It is as easy as ABCD. All you need to do is be consistent. Consistent do pay. Perfection doesn't. You don't need to be perfect, my darling. Just start with whatever you have. Okay, my darling. Hi, I'm Milento. In this video, in this channel, I'll be teaching how to make money online, how to maneuver in this social media space. Example YouTube, example Facebook, TikTok, and all that. I'll be showing you how to maneuver in this space. It is not that I'm perfect. No, I'm learning as I teach you, my darling. And if you want to come along with me, you like video like this one, please consider subscribing in the subscription button, and do well to like this video so that it can reach more people. YouTube is paying more creators in the year 2025-2026. Okay, you don't need to have more subscribers. Even if you're a beginner, you have 0 subscribers, 0 to 100 subscribers, you are running a faceless channel. In this video, I'm going to show you through which YouTube is paying more creators. All you need to do is to watch until the end. The last point, it's one which most creators don't want people to know, and that is the way that most creators, these big creators, are earning money through. The first thing you will need to do as a beginner, you just wake up, you want to start a YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is to pick a high niche, the CPM niche. This is the niche that most creators, those big creators, they're into it. Okay, that entertainment niche will not pay you what you need, my darling. Most companies do advertise through those niche. They're making money online, digital space, artificial intelligence, education, tech review, online business, how-to videos. Those are the videos that most industry in that niche, they're willing to pay more for them to advertise in that particular channel, in that particular niche. Number 2 you need to do is to create shorts. Don't just create shorts, don't just repurpose shorts. You need first to, now that you're focused on one niche, for instance, making money online, you need to create short based on that particular niche. How to short, mistake to avoid, best tools to use in this particular content creation. In this 21st century, in this 21st digital space, most people are looking for how-to video. Like you are giving out something, you're giving out value to that particular audience. And most video, even when you go to that particular space, YouTube, searchable, how-to video, the first video that will come on top, it is shorts, then the other one will follow. And most those people who want to know something quickly, they'll go through shorts, like they'll just pass through shorts quickly, and that particular niche that they have searched, the first short that the first video that it will come, it is short. It is not that long form video they're not making money. Of course they do, but they are not trending, and you are here because you want to make money quickly on YouTube. So if you want to make money quickly on YouTube, do content like shorts. Like start with shorts. Okay, shorts video, they get viewers more quickly overnight, and they trend a lot. You even get 10 million views from shorts, you understand, depending with your niche, depending how valuable your niche is or how valuable your content is. So if you want to make more money quickly, like you want to make money quickly through in this platform, just start with shorts. Number 3, you need to upload shorts quickly. Now this 2025-2026 YouTube mostly is pushing out shorts. Yeah, don't lie, it is pushing out shorts. So you just need to upload 1 to 3 shorts daily, 15 to 45 seconds long, you understand, strong hook and fast in the first 2 seconds, so that it may have audience retention, you understand. Shorts bring subscribers more quickly overnight. You'll just wake up, one shot has trend to 1 million. When you see the subscriber from that shot, it's even 5,000 shots. Sorry, it's even 5,000 subscriber from that one particular shot. Monetization eligibility for shots is very quickly. You only need 500 subscribers. Okay, you don't need 1,000, just need 500 subscribers, and you only need 10 million watch hour in the last 3 months. 10 million viewers in the last 3 months. And imagine you have an engaging shot. Yeah, my dear, only 2 shots, even 3. And you imagine you have 3 months to attend search, but only 3 shots can give you that 10 million. Within 1 month, you're monetized, my darling. Because you're here, you need quick way to get money in this particular space. You as a beginner, you don't just wait for YouTube to pay you. You monetize that particular channel before even you get monetized by the YouTube partnership. You only get monetized before YouTube monetized you officially through affiliate marketing, selling books, selling ebooks. You understand? These story books. These story books. If you're creative, of course, you read those digital services, understand, digital goods like ebooks, and you sell them in your particular space. You understand? There at the description you write, okay, reach out to this book. You sell those books in the Amazon space, the Etsy. If you understand those platform, when you just Google, you'll get them. You register, you start selling your digital goods from there. You understand? Through drop shipping, it can also assist you to get money quickly in here. Promoting services such as coaching. You understand a particular subject, you understand a particular topic very well, and you want to start coaching people. Just create a link, make people to subscribe to that link, then you'll start coaching them one by one. That is another way of getting money quickly here in YouTube. Here, because you want to monetize your YouTube space quickly. Okay, you need to optimize your channel to be algorithm friendly. Okay, how do you do that? When you create your video, those thumbnails, they must be eye-catching. When you create your video, the title of it must be SOE, search engine optimized. Use those words, use trending keywords. You understand? Eye-catching thumbnail, of course, I just said like that. Clear audience retention. The first 2 minutes of your video, it must be eye-catching to you understand. When just that beginner person or that audience who wants to know something from that particular channel, when he or she just open that particular content, it is eye-catching. He or she just want to watch until the end. Number 6, you are now into YouTube. You are a beginner. You are into it. You have started your videos and all that. Now you can apply into YouTube partner program. Okay, and you only need 500 subscribers or 3,000 watch hours. That 3,000 watch hours, you get it from shorts. 500 subscribers, you get it from shorts, my darling. Okay, not even particularly in video, but you can be monetized as low as with 500 subscribers, and you have attained 3,000 watch hours, my darling. You can start monetizing your channel or making money through YouTube with that particular way. You also need 3 million views in 90 days from shorts. You understand? That is, if you have high engaging, high trending niche, my darling, that's 3 million. You can even get it with one video or even 2, or within 1 week you are monetized. Okay, other approved way you can get monetized is through ad revenue. This is where when you're watching a particular video, those advertisers are advertising their product through your video. You understand? There is a break, then there is a video. Those advertisers, they're paying you so that they're paying the YouTube will pay you because they're advertising their goods, that particular company, through your video, my darling. Okay, super chats. Okay, these are the people, your viewers, your fans, they like your content, they buy super chats. Okay, YouTube shopping, there is a way that you can market your goods. You're a content creator, you're also a business person, you market your goods through the YouTube shop, my darling. That one you'll make massive money here in this space, okay, through channel membership. Okay, I as myself, I have a channel membership. You can join my as low as $1, $2. You can join my membership, and through that I make money. Okay, if you are serious about making money on YouTube, stop overthinking and not and and start uploading now. You don't need to be perfect, my darling. You just need to be consistent. Start with that niche that you have. And there is a video that I've done, the top paying niche in this particular space. Go and watch that video, my darling. It will show you the best YouTube niche and the YouTube niche that you should avoid. Don't just wake up and start YouTube, because okay, the next thing you need to do what you love. Do something that even the next 1 year, in the next 6 months, you'll have that passion to do it. Don't just copy people that you like, let me do like, no, you'll get tired and you'll not even succeed in that particular niche. Do what you, if you have knowledge with, or what you can research about and you love doing it. Okay, like for me, for instance, I started my YouTube channel with cooking. I was even getting tired because I felt like I need to teach people something. I need to be talking. I need to be understand. And just start. Don't wait to be perfect. Start like that. Perfection will come later, my darling. You know, your first 100, your first 1 to 10, your first, those videos, the first one. It will be even like, hey, oh gosh. But don't mind. You're here to perfect yourself, and practice do perfect. Practice do makes perfect, my darling. So if you love videos like this one, consider subscribing, my darling. Okay, consider subscribing and joining this community. You can even just comment something, comment anything, my darling, and a thumbs up, so that you can be doing this each and every other time.